Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn about store tagging in MargBooks. Store tagging means that if you have multiple stores and you can give your users access to billing only for a particular store. Let's see how to do this process in MargBooks. For this, first you will go to the dashboard, click on Settings, and from the User Access and Privileges, click on the Configure button. Now, edit the operator to whom you want to grant permission for billing at a particular store. As soon as you edit this operator, you will find a drop-down for stores. When you open it, you will see the head office and branches. Here, you will select which store access you want to give this user. If you want to give access to all stores in the head office and branches, select All. If you want to give permission for a particular branch, first deselect all and then click on the branch. For example, we clicked on the Lakshmi Nagar branch. You can see all the stores in this branch. If you want to grant access to a particular store, select it. Suppose we will select the Mayur Vihar and Ramesh Park stores. Select Ajnala from the Punjab branch and select Lakshmi Nagar from the head office. Now, let's click OK and then update. After this, when this user does billing, if their branch is Lakshmi Nagar, as soon as they press the space bar in the store field, they will see the stores they have access to. Now, they can select a store from here and proceed with billing. So, in this video, you watched the process of store tagging in MargBooks. Thanks for watching.